various activities planned by GR Kare College and the District Legal Services Authority during this campaign will not only help the people at large, but also the railway employees. The Nyaya Yatra is more than just a program. It's a movement that seeks to bridge the gap between the legal community and the common man, a movement that aims to demystify the law and make it accessible to all. As you are aware that Margao railway station is a major railway station of Konkan Railway and in Goa. Passengers from almost every part of India as well as international tourists visit this station throughout the year. These passengers will also be benefited from this campaign. On behalf of KRCL, I would like to thank GR Kare College of Law and the District Legal Services Authority for their partnership and support.
In association with the South Goa District Legal Authorities and Konkan Railway Corporation, today I declare the launch of this initiative by the institution, the journey towards justice. Through this initiative, we would like every common men and women, child as well as others, to take benefit of this particular initiative that has been launched by the college. We normally see the involvement of students. We have performed street plays. Students have also displayed prominent posters at various places within the vicinity of the station. The posters that you see here are the creative art of our students, which means it is not only legal education that they have come here together, but also delivering what knowledge they have taken from our institution. Then I really appreciate the efforts put in by the South Goa District Legal Service Authority with Ms. behind all this, as well as the support that has been rendered by the Konkan Railway Corporation to have our students perform here today. Also having association with District Service Authorities, setting up of a help desk. As you can see there on your desk, you have the science initiative which has been done to be imparting practical knowledge to all.
It's very important that as a law college, we need to take a big lead, and that's what I can push. We are not only having a law college, but also we have a commerce college where we have BCA, Bachelor in Computer Applications. As I could see the brilliant students performing a street play, which was very informative, and I think we should take this moment to a bigger level. We should come together not only as law students but as a global citizen, as an Indian citizen, to reunite the society and by building an awareness and by integrating a lot of concepts. Let us take this movement of Nyaya much forward. We need to do a lot for the society because we can't just remain like a student or entrepreneur. We are able to be what we are today just because a decent society exists in front of us. So it's our responsibility to develop the society and protect the society. And I need your support in this endeavor.
So Savant, I think it is the first program at such a large scale, and it would have not been possible if it was the innovative idea of GR Kare College of Law and innovative steps by students. I urge to the student that this service is not a social service. It is your social obligation. You have an obligation, and I think this is a platform. We have started taking interns. There are so many interns who are working with the District Legal Services Authority. Either it is GR College of Law or Salgaonkar College or the other colleges. They have been associated with us. You can just ask the students who have been intern and who are working with us as to how they have developed by conducting programs, by conducting various. Similarly, I have got around 5 to 6 paralegal volunteers from the GR Kare College of Law And I urge to the students that, if you want to change the society, you are the future of the society. I think my paralegal volunteers who are there working will tell you they are the best persons who they come and tell me that, madam, we have changed, we have developed, we know the social issues which have come up. I know that you all have to do a lot of studies, there's a lot of studies, but until you know the practical social obligation, I think you will be able to understand it better.
When I just look back at the so many functions which I have attended, I think this is one function which I will always remember for my life. That kind of function you have arranged, and I thank the organizers for having organized this wonderful function. Now, the purpose of this function has already been spoken about by the earlier speakers. But believe me, we have lighted this so many lamps over here, and one is still burning. So what I feel today is this, that out of the so many passengers who have crossed this path while this function was going on, and many stopped by and watched the act which you played out, if one person, just one passenger, one citizen of this country did watch the full skit and understand the meaning of it, I think today's function will be a great success, that kind of function which you have arranged. And I truly believe this is what is required. When I was watching you young students, putting out all your heart and acting out, I mean, you are doing a great job for the society. It's a service, it's a great service for the society. Of course, you are learning as students, but at the very same time, when you are learning, you are simultaneously doing a great service for the society. Now the question is, time and again we read the Constitution. It's 75 years since the Constitution has been accepted by all of us, and we are celebrating the 75 years of having the Constitution of India. And all that we know after this 75 years are the rights, the constitutional rights which are guaranteed by the Constitution of India to the citizen. But the most important thing which I appreciate in that skit was that with a constitutional right comes a constitutional duty. That is what you pointed out, and which I like the most about this skit, that we all know about our rights, but we just tend to forget about our duties. Believe me, if we have that civic sense, this is what it is all about, right? It is all about civic sense. So this civic sense means the constitutional duty which everyone has. And if every person in this country, or even more than 50% of the citizens of this country realize their constitutional duties, I truly believe that there will be no necessity to emphasize on the constitutional rights. Because the moment you start obliging your duties, obviously the others which have a collateral constitutional right, that will definitely be followed. So therefore, I feel today that this is a very innovative idea which we have come up with. As the chairman of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, first of all I would thank the District Legal Services Authority, Kare Law College, the Konkan Railway, and you all students. But at the very same time, I would like to extend a hand towards you. The Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa is very much interested in such kind of activities. We are ready to be a part of it, and I request all of you to just let us know what is required from us, what we can do, and trust me, we will do it and we'll be a part of your team and we'll do it together.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.